The way Perch works together is really simple. We have three products, Perch Plan, Perch Evaluate, and Perch Train, that come together to create a closed loop system that essentially serves all of your weight room technology needs with a single product. Check it out here. We like to say that Perch is weight room performance reimagined. We maximize every movement in the weight room to improve athletic performance with unobtrusive hardware paired with a unified software platform to help motivate athletes, analyze results, and make data-informed decisions. With Perch Plan, you can effortlessly write, deliver, individualize, and validate the effectiveness of your training programs, seamlessly program using Perch Plan on our web, dashboard, to our tablet, app, and even Perch Mobile on your individual cell phones with your athletes away from the weight room or even when they're in the weight room. Perch Evaluate is our assessment tool, so you can use cameras to assess jump performance and understand athlete readiness and fatigue directly at the weight rack. And Perch Train is the foundation of our product. Small cameras used to monitor, manage, and improve weight room performance without detracting from it. We are velocity-based training and load management with no strings attached. 11 metrics plus bar or movement path. We are not beholden just to an implement. We can also track body movements as well in the weight room. So ultimately with Perch Plan, Perch Evaluate, and Perch Train, we create this closed loop system that really helps you maximize your athlete's potential in the weight room and on the weight room floor. When you first access app.perch.fit, our web dashboard, ultimately you're going to see our default screen, which is Perch Train. This will change relatively soon, but check it out. You get an overall view of your organization and the health of your organization as a whole. So you can see sets by exercise, sets by day as a heat map, the number of active athletes, total sets, load lifted. And you can filter this down by teams, position, exercise, and customize your time window to be whatever you want it to be. This is our Perch Train tab. Perch Evaluate tab is essentially a readiness report. So as athletes perform evaluations at the weight rack, you'll get a readiness report, again, based on the rolling time period. You can filter by team and position or even individual users as well. And then Perch Plan is our library and results section. So ultimately, this is where you'll come to write programs, assign them out to athletes, and then athletes will be able to train through them on the tablet or on the weight room floor. And then you will ultimately be able to come back here and see your results as your compliance report, which has some conditional formatting. You can see I created a workout here for myself. It includes an assessment and then a superset of back squat, dumbbell overhead press, and ab rollout. If I want to add something to this superset, I can hit this plus button that's in line with it, and I can add an assessment or an exercise. If I want to add something separately, I can add an assessment, exercise, or task. Tasks are basically things that you want your athletes to make note of, but don't necessarily need their own exercise. I've assigned this to myself, hit publish, and hit save. Now I can access this workout on the tablet. If I log myself into the tablet, select that workout from my last program, my assigned, and all available, I'll be able to start this program. I can see it's CMJ arms fixed and then a superset. To start that workout, all I have to do is hit record. The first thing I have to do is jump. So I'll step back and I'll jump my 3 jumps. I can hit complete, and then it will automatically move me on to the next thing, which is back squat. So I can go ahead and hit start, and you'll see that I've already pre-programmed a velocity zone goal for myself. I've got 5 reps here. And I can re-rack the weight and hit complete. Now it's moving me on to my dumbbell overhead press. Once I've completed that, I can hit complete, and it will move me on to my ab wheel rollout. Once I've completed that, I can hit complete, and then I've completed my workout for the day. That completed workout will be available for me to see as the practitioner on the compliance report on the Perch web app. The 3 products from Perch, Perch Plan, Perch Evaluate, and Perch Train, complete this closed loop system where I can write my programs, assess my athletes, train my athletes, and then get that feedback so that I understand how athletes are adapting to my program over time. We also have some built-in intelligence tools, such as dynamic goals and suggested weight, to help make your job as a practitioner a little bit easier with all of the data that we're amassing from each individual athlete using Perch. Perch Plan, Perch Evaluate, and Perch Train are all enabled with the Perch hardware. Let us know any questions you have. We're always here to help and support at perch.fit.